guys, this is Vanessa Faye with a tutorial on the one-handed outside edge hoop isolation, which looks like this. So the prerequisite for this would be the inside edge one-handed hoop isolation, and for the outside edge isolation, I would recommend, if you're doing it in your right hand, to rotate clockwise or toward the pinky side. And really the key to this move, just like with the inside edge isolation, is when our hand makes the transition over. And it's a little more complicated than when it's on the inside though, because we don't have gravity helping us. Like on the inside, when we roll our hand over, the hoop's always pressing down onto our hand. So all we have to do is keep our hand level as we make the switch. But when we're doing it on the outside, there's a moment as the hoop is passing over the pinky side of the hand where the hoop is pretty unsupported in space. So what it tends to do is fall down and diagonal, and we lose the illusion of the hoop floating. It looks like this. So what we need to do so that it's an actual isolation is to counteract the force of gravity down and diagonal by pushing with our hand the hoop up and diagonal on the same line. So when our hand starts to roll over, or well, under the hoop, I'm giving it a push up and diagonal with my hand, and I'm trying to do it timed in a way kind of like a seesaw would balance out, so that I'm pushing with the same force that gravity is pushing down. So I'm pushing up with the same force that gravity is pushing down, and it gives me that nice smooth transition, and that's how you get a really nice illusion. So you can start practicing that hand motion by doing a rocking like this with a hoop, and letting it roll between your thumb and forefinger here over the back of your hand and catching it, so you can get used to the feeling of a nice smooth roll over your hand like that. And but yeah, definitely the key to the move is practicing that timing of how you push, and that's how you'll get your nice smooth outside edge one-handed isolation. So hope you guys found that helpful, and hope to see y'all at FireDrums.